Learn English with Taylor Swift.
It's my first directly autobiographical album.
Autobiographical, related to a person's own life story or personal experiences. Example, her novel is autobiographical, based on her childhood in a small village.
That stuff a decade ago.
Folklore, traditional stories, customs, and beliefs passed down through generations in a community. Example, according to local folklore, a hidden treasure lies beneath the old oak tree.
Evermore, it was like story time. It was like mythology,
Mythology, a collection of ancient stories about gods, heroes, and supernatural events from cultures. Example, Greek mythology includes famous tales of Zeus, Athena, and other powerful gods and goddesses.
I'm also feeling like very soft and fragile.
Fragile, easily broken, damaged, or hurt. Example, be careful with the fragile glass vase. It might break if you drop it.
So we're considered geriatric pop stars.
Geriatric pop stars, phrase older musicians who were famous in their youth and still perform. Example, many geriatric pop stars from the 1970s still perform at concerts worldwide.
See, there's a part of it that I don't quite understand how it comes to fruition. There's something.
Fruition, the successful completion or achievement of a plan or goal. Example, her hard work finally came to fruition when she opened her own business.
Sometimes it feels completely involuntary.
Involuntary, done without choice or control. Example, sneezing is an involuntary reaction to dust or allergies.
Like they tease me a lot and I
Tease, to make fun of or annoy someone playfully or unkindly. Example, he likes to tease his sister by hiding her toys.
be kind of cryptic.
Cryptic, mysterious or difficult to understand. Example, she gave a cryptic message that no one could figure out.
Self-loathing. I could go.
Self-loathing, strong dislike or hatred toward oneself. Example, his mistakes led to deep self-loathing and low self-esteem.
Just like suck the poison out of a snake bite.
Yeah.
Suck the poison out, idiom to remove a problem or danger quickly. Example, she tried to suck the poison out of the argument by apologizing immediately.
It's like could be the most harrowing song you have ever.
Harrowing, extremely distressing, painful, or upsetting. Example, the survivors shared their harrowing experience of being lost at sea for days.
And the charisma to be why.
Charisma, a special charm or attractiveness that inspires others to like or follow you. Example, her charisma made her popular and loved by everyone in the office.
With Dylan, we all start hanging out all the time. Like
Hanging out, spending time relaxing or socializing with friends or others. Example, we are hanging out at the mall this afternoon.
it's committing an act of extreme hyperbole. So it's
Hyperbole, an exaggerated statement not meant to be taken literally. Example, I'm so hungry. I could eat a horse. That's just a hyperbole.
they kind of go hand in hand.
Yeah.
Or the
Go hand in hand, to be closely connected or work well together. Example, success and hard work go hand in hand in any career.
certain things like glitter and Easter eggs.
Easter egg, a hidden message, joke, or feature in movies, games, or software. Example, the movie had a secret Easter egg referencing the director's previous film. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Create any sentence and write it in the comments.